Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to hide all your photos on Facebook at once. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open Facebook, then click on your profile picture, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings, scroll down until you see your activity, this one. Click on activity log and click on your Facebook activity. Now we have here posts and we have here manage posts. Click on it and go to filters. Click on categories and we have here your posts, photos and videos. Click on it and from here you can choose all your photos. Okay, so for me, for example, it's this one, this one, this one. Okay, I think that you get the idea. You can choose all your photos or you can just click on all here like this. Okay, it will be select everything. After you finish selecting your photos, go to the bottom right and click on these three dots. Click on change audience. Click on change audience again. And as you can see here, we have only me. Click on it and click on change. Now only you can see your photos. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.